All right, welcome back. Time now for your lunchtime sports. Reigning champions Harbour made a winning start to the Jamaica Premier League playoffs after a 2-0 victory over Humble Lion in their first leg quarter-final encounter on Monday night at Sabina Park. O'Dolan Harding got the opener for the champions in the 23rd minute, before Ryan Wellington helped the Stars of the East put one leg into the semi-finals with a 77th minute goal. Meanwhile, in the curtain raiser, Mount Pleasant and Dunbeholden played out a 1-1 draw in their contest at the venue. It was Dunbeholden who went in front in the 53rd minute when Stephen Barrett got onto the end of this cross from Ricardo Thomas to make it 1-0. But just when it seemed Dunbeholden would come away with the victory, Leonardo Rankin ensured Mount Pleasant would head into the second leg on level terms with his late goal in second half stoppage time to make it 1-1. The second leg matches will be played next week Monday, also at Sabina Park. Some cricket news now. West Indies A enjoyed a good opening day of the unofficial first test against host Bangladesh A, reaching 220 for 2 in their first innings at stumps in Sylhet. Tejanan Chandapal was 17 not out, while Alec Athanaze was unbeaten on 35 at the close for the West Indians, who elected to bat. Chandapal also shared in a 130-run opening partnership with Jamaica's Kirk McKenzie, who made 86. Raymond Reefer also contributed 26. The teams are taking part in a 3-match series. Olympic 100-meter hurdles bronze medalist Megan Tapper says she's expecting big things this season after making the switch to being conditioned by Ronaldo Walcott at Elite Performance Track Club. Tapper, who was previously coached by Austrian Philipp Onfried, says she's currently injury-free and is enjoying her new training base at the Ashenheim Stadium at Jamaica College. Tapper opened her season with 12.99 seconds and ran 12.76 for fourth at the opening Diamond League meet of the season in Doha, Qatar earlier this month. Her recent performance was a 12.74 seconds clocking to win the sprint hurdles at the New Life Invitational meet in the Bahamas at the weekend. And finally, number 1 seed Denver Nuggets will host the Los Angeles Lakers at the Ball Arena in Game 1 of the NBA Western Conference Finals this evening. Game time is 7:30 p.m. Jamaica time. The Lakers come in after a tough second-round matchup against the Warriors, while the Nuggets also had a 6-game series against the Phoenix Suns. Now, in 4 meetings in the regular season, the teams split, with each team winning their pair of home games. The last time these two teams faced off in the playoffs was in the 2020 Conference Finals, when the Lakers ran away with the series, winning 4 out of 5 games against the Nuggets. Boston Celtics will host Miami Heat in Game 1 of their series on Wednesday evening. And that's where we leave the courts for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, have a good afternoon.